स्वानंद जी सुन तो सही एक मिनट
सुन तो सही से भी ज्यादा फुल पब्लिक में एक मोंटारे गा दो अरे इधर कहाँ गाऊंगा यार मैं तेरे लिए गाना.
मेरे पास ट्यून है.
हाँ.
चिंग 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 टांग चिंग 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 टांग.
Cyrus Brocha का show. I am not trained. My father and mother
What train?
were trained.
You're the Hardik Pandya of this generation.
Oh no God.
How many are there? Let's check. I don't think there are too many people like this in the industry.
My father always thought that I have a very voice and he used to say don't shout. अभी मैं एयरपोर्ट पे था एक दिन और साइरस साहूकार उधर से गया.
अरे बाबा नहीं.
और मैंने उसको कहा ब्रोचा.
Oh no.
आ गया.
If you're acting and directing, it'll be fun, no? Because you'll be like, okay, action.
राज कपूर सर did it, मनोज कुमार सर
चार्ली
did it,
चैपलिन
चार्ली चैपलिन इज अदर लेवल है. कोई है.
हाँ वो है. लोग तो यहाँ पे watch our show. Only producers and directors. Financiers, producers, directors watch our show.
Great.
आपको कैश है? How do you want to be paid? Cyrus says, Swanand Kirkare is here, one of the leading talents of our country, and I've done some research. मैं इतना बकवास नहीं करता. I actually do research once in a while. I spoke to Vijay Kar himself, head of the Marathi industry.
Yes.
Who told me, what are you saying? He's a very good actor. Very good actor. And he gave me this whole, that Pula Deshpande film and all these. Went on giving a whole. I didn't know. I thought you're the singer. But then we study your portfolio and you're an NSD boy.
I'm an NSD boy.
We are talking about the OTT, we'll come to that, and then obviously you're acting there and conceptualizing. But going back, Indore में birth हो गया. उसके बाद you went outdoors. Unnecessary.
I went outdoors.
Yeah,
no, that's
talent.
No, but that
कभी अपना side पे आना.
ये joke तो आता है मेरे पे.
बार same joke. Indoor, outdoor.
तो
Walk out, yaar. Walk out.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that. So I went outdoors to Delhi.
To be an actor.
No, I don't know what. To just be into
What singing family?
theatre, singing family, but not professional singers. Like
you're not trained apparently.
I am not trained. My father and mother
were trained.
They were disciples of Pandit Kumar Gandharv, but still they were not pursuing music like their
Hobby.
profession, hobby. Because they were doing other jobs. Father was a banker and mother used to work in Indore University and stuff. So anyway, Delhi happened. I studied National School of Drama, design and direction.
Design as in sets.
Sets, costumes, lights, all kinds of designs.
Why aren't you doing that, yaar?
I am sure. I know. I asked them.
Music कोई भी कर सकता है. You go downstairs, anyone is singing, yaar. Design, costume, background.
लेकिन I am very bad at it. You can see, I'm very bad.
You're telling me. I just realized it's torn in both sides. I found the shirt after like 3 months and I thought it's a new shirt and all that. I wore it in the car. I noticed where Amit was talking non-stop and I just... Sorry यार.
नहीं वो डिजाइन का सेंस ही नहीं है.
गिरा वाला इंसान all matches the situation.
Yeah, God.
Fallen heroes. No, hero, not you. You're on the way up. No, so you went
I am on the way down.
Why way down?
Yeah, माने.
अब तो इतना बड़ा ऑलराउंडर है. You're the Hardik Pandya of this generation.
Oh no God.
How many are there? Let's check. I don't think there are too many people like this in the industry. Can you think, Shreya, quickly, give me another name. Who can sing, who can write, by the way, who can act. So, what's left? Design. वो design को बराबर करो.
Design करत.
Design का वो.
I can't draw.
failure है design.
सीधा line नहीं खींचते आता.
अरे bloody hell, what a disappointment. So you went to Delhi.
Yeah.
And you studied this. But you all study everything, no?
Studied everything.
मतलब acting
थोड़ा बहुत
सब कुछ होता है उसमें.
But NSD is primarily the theatre institute. So actors are
most important.
20 people out of 20 people is 16 are actors and you live with actors and you know how it's to live with actors. You learn acting automatically because that's how I was.
But your batch, some big names came out of your batch also.
Yes.
Huh?
Nawazuddin.
Was he? Could you tell कि इसमें कुछ है and all that? Or?
From day one. From the day one. So yeah, he always had it in him. And then there is this girl called Geetanjali. If you see Gullak and all, she's there in it. And there are some other people. Some people are working in Bengal and stuff. A good batch.
But your singing talent, was there anything that people know कि स्वानंद में ये
No, even
talent
even
है
even
या
not
नहीं
in
है?
NSD नहीं.
You didn't sing?
I didn't. And my batch had very good singers.
दारू पीने के टाइम
वो दारू पीने के टाइम पे मैं सुनता था. अच्छा, दारू पीने के टाइम पे मैंने गाना गाया, वो लेट गाया, बावरामन एंड ऑल. बट NSD days no. NSD days I didn't know that I could. My father always thought that I have a very voice, and he used to say, "Don't shout." So that was his this thing.
पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल
Yeah.
दिस इज इंदौर सरका 1990
या चिल्लाओ मत, गाना गाओ. So that was वही एक चीज था.
So growing up no one thought you were a singer.
No, not at all.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Huh.
Accidents.
Huh.
Then I started singing in theatre in Delhi days, little bit, like because my voice is big, so it was suitable for theatre. So you sing on the stage, and the last
People can hear you.
Can hear you.
जो
At least
जो कम पैसा वाला टिकट
जो डायरेक्टर को बोलना है पहुंचा तो कोई ना कोई देता है वहां तक. तो वहाँ पे then I started little bit singing here and there, and but my batch had very good singers. So actors, singers, my batch was now
they became famous.
Famous in the sense, yeah, there is this girl called Nivedita Bhargav. I'm sure. Yeah, many.
So picture of Nivedita quickly.
Nivedita, she is हीरा मंडी वगैरह में है.
Oh,
and all that,
nice.
Yeah. And
But singing also.
Singing also. She also does this Bandish ka play. Very good singer. Then there is many good singers.
See, this podcast is not about you. It's about everyone.
There is a guy called Chitranjan. There is my batchmate is Chitranjan Tripathi, who happens to be the director of National School of Drama right now.
तो अगर आपको सीट चाहिए
मेरे से contact
त्रिपाठी जी, हाँ, सर का 25% कमीशन जो है and one song, not more.
नहीं, NSD के कहाँ कमीशन यार. अगर NSD के बाद 50 साल बाद तुम हिट हुए तो कमीशन.
So just come back and do one lecture.
Yeah.
That's what you do. But there's a request. Shreya is your big fan, our producer, huge fan. She's gone for your shows and all that. She gets very excited. So I feel really bad sometimes.
She's my fellow singer.
Shreya, the 24-year-old here, tells him that he is my fellow singer.
She is.
I mean, it's
fellow
like,
singer
it's
is a
like
fellow
telling
singer.
Virat Kohli that I am also a batsman. I mean,
No, fellow singer is fellow singer.
but luckily he took it in the right spirit. काफी बार होता है ऐसा ना. People don't mean to be rude. They're trying to. They're finding a common.
And everybody wants to sing. Why not? And everybody is a good singer.
वो तो I don't know. But she has a trained Hindustani classical trained, na? No, I don't. Okay, now she's feeling shy to say all this. But she's apparently trained for what it's worth. But don't worry.
I don't like trained singers.
Exactly, and you don't have to listen to her. The moment you finish, you leave.
No, she can sing. I'll listen to her.
This was a real pain for you, na? Guys coming up at some public place and saying, Swanand ji. सुन तो सही, एक मिनट.
सुन तो सही से भी ज़्यादा फुल पब्लिक में एक मोंटारे गा दो. अरे इधर कहाँ गाऊंगा यार मैं तेरे लिए गाना. ये 2 लाइन सुना दो. My mother is a big fan, and everybody's mother is a big fan. That's the problem. And father is a big fan. They themselves are not.
How sweet.
That's so sad.
In fact, now we should do the same thing, no? She wants to hear you sing. Possible?
100%. I know.
एक गाना गाओ.
I'll sing you शोरगुल.
This would cost you 25-30 lakhs to have as a private concert. Maybe more. I don't even know for sure. GST applicable.
Yeah.
Sauce.
25 नहीं, but या 15 तो लगा देंगे.
मैं तो बोलता 20 कम से कम करो.
करना है. अभी तो बोल देता
The year has changed. It's March 2026.
Yeah.
The world is at peace everywhere. People need
Yeah,
music.
people need music. People need music badly. Yeah, world is at peace. Yeah.
नाम तो स्वानंद है. Let's get back to the trajectory because we have to talk about the OTT. I'll not forget.
No, don't worry.
That
It's okay.
Age big चीज़ है ना. I forget everything यार. Really. So you were doing that.
I'll tell you something.
बोलो.
अभी मैं एयरपोर्ट पे था एक दिन और साइरस साहूकार उधर से गया.
अरे बाबा नहीं.
और मैंने उसको कहा ब्रोचा.
Oh no.
आ गया. And he was, I mean, we were talking. जाते मेरे को बोल रहा है, I'm साहूकार. And I said, sorry. Why are you?
वो 6 फुट 3 इंच का है भैया. और इतना गोरा है, कभी सन नहीं देखा उसने. I mean, he's as white as like I don't know what. Yeah, that wall.
Yeah.
Very bad, very embarrassing. Yeah, but he's a sweet guy. Also thinks he's a singer, huh?
No, he's a great guy. I love him.
But don't let him sing. All these people they don't know really. He's a very good comedian. Tell him you do your comedy, don't do singing. Because your singing is like comedy. Then it becomes confusing. So let's get see again. This whole podcast is about other people. We have discussed 20 people now. Saukar has come into it.
Yeah.
So then you got into plays in Delhi.
Yeah, before that also and after that also.
While in NSG you were doing plays. Matlab you were doing plays, professional theatre outside.
Yeah, I was doing professional theatre outside, but professional theatre in Delhi is not as professional as Delhi, as Bombay Professional Theatre. But I did. There is a repertory company of NSD. I directed a play there. I wrote a play there.
Oh, you already started writing and all that.
Writing all. Yeah, I started when I was in NSD. I learned most of the things. Learned in the sense I experimented with them, and people liked them because nobody was writing. So I started doing that, and then I got a chance to come to Mumbai. There was a old time producer called Manju Singh.
Yes.
Manju Singh.
2 days. Manju
and Dominic.
Correct.
Dominic Watson. Yeah. She called me to write.
How did they notice you?
She was in Delhi. She came to see my play. And she liked the play because it was about Bhagat Singh and she was doing a show about Bhagat Singh. So it was a coincidence. She got me here. So first I came here, I lived in Warden Road.
Wow.
Yeah, completely.
Apna side?
In
a house?
In a house. Okay. In her office.
Why were you living in the office?
अरे स्ट्रगल तो है यार कम से कम सी फेसिंग मॉडर्न रोड
फैंटास्टिक यूएस काउंसुलेट
जस्ट यूएस काउंसुलेट के बिल्कुल सामने
ब्यूटीफुल एंड ब्रिज कैंडी हॉस्पिटल ब्रिज कैंडी क्लब लॉट्स ऑफ यंग फॉरेन both genders
and also people standing in queues to get a visa.
That's very sad.
Yeah, but still good looking people.
Yeah, good looking, not so good looking, wo sab hai. Yeah, but Beach Candy Club you can have
but I got
inspiring for you, sir.
I entered Bridge Candy Club again. People, Ram Madhwani took me in for the first time.
Yeah.
Because before that, Bridge Candy Club, mera
Ram is a member. I thought it's all foreign. You have to be a foreigner to be a member.
Ram is a foreigner.
Ram, be very careful what you say in India, bhai. Ram is not a foreigner. Ram Madhwani maybe. He's actually from Africa. He actually Gujarati, I think he family is from Uganda or something.
And I'm not sure. I shouldn't. But he is. Yeah.
He doesn't have a passport. Apna aadmi nahi hai. Ram, we are watching you.
Ram. Anyway, we are talking about everybody else.
Yeah, again. What a horrible podcast, yaar. Sir ke baare mein kuch wo NSC gaya. He studied design. Then somebody met him, saw the play. Manju Singh called him. He's in Warden Road office. That's all we know about you.
Yeah.
और फिर क्या हुआ?
उसके बाद Warden Road office का
But she wanted you to do what? Like
write a show, write the serial, and then I started writing the serial.
Which was
called Swaraj.
Wow.
It was about Azadi, Bhagat Singh, and
so your historical knowledge is all good, or you
because I did a play on Bhagat Singh and I was well researched. Yeah, so I was the only one who could ready to write. Then I wrote that show. It went on for 2 years.
पैसा?
हाँ, अच्छा पैसा, good पैसा.
So good. So
yeah, in beginning was very good. Then after the show stopped, finished, it was 56 episodes. Then the real thing started. Then I from Warden Road straight to Goregaon East.
Make it strong, bartender. Make it very strong. Warden Road to Goregaon. That should be your biopic, yaar.
Yeah. Warden Road to Goregaon East.
No, but then you see a lot of success after that. तो वापस जाना पड़ेगा. बहुत लंबा title है.
So Warden Road Goregaon East to Bandra. So it's not bad. So Goregaon East happened. Then 2 years of nothing.
Goregaon East happened. मतलब there's no work.
Yeah, after that there was no work.
But she didn't give you the next project, Manju?
She didn't have herself. She used to call me whatever she was pitching.
So writing is also quite a struggle for people.
Those days, yeah. I met some people.
No, you had a hit show. You had a show that was seen and everything. Still, there's no work coming.
Yeah, there was no work that time. Basically, those.
So what were you scratching?
Back.
Patting. Lower back?
Patting.
ठीक है. वो अपना कैमरा वहाँ से देख सकते हैं.
Oh shit.
Don't worry, it'll be good for the show.
नहीं वो पीछे.
थोड़ा दिखाओ यार. Expose.
अरे expose करने लायक कुछ नहीं. Stick कर रहा है. तो वहाँ से फिर then there was no work initially.
पर वो सारे contacts है NSD का, I mean seniors जो भी.
अरे पर 1-2 साल you first you have to know the city in order to get work. That's what I felt.
But what were you trying to be, writer or actor or singer?
I always wanted to be a director, which so I was trying to become I wanted to assist somebody.
Huh.
I was trying to call Sudhir Mishra. He was not taking my calls. And
Sudhir Mishra, if you watched the show, you did not take the call. He came and told us about you, the whole
Yeah,
story.
yeah.
The other story about how he discovered your singing.
yeah, he did.
Which he did, but he didn't tell about the not
Initially, he
taking
didn't take my calls. Yeah, he used to say, I'll call.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I am his assistant, so I can.
Do his knuckle again, yeah, properly. Come on.
अबे तू यार सारे से तू समझ नहीं रहा है। वो करना पड़ता है यार, तो you have to do it. Anyway, not good at that, but I love him. So then I started writing for another Pankaj Parashar.
Jalwa.
तो after Jalwa,
He launched the greatest Indian actor of all time, sir.
Yes.
Picture देखो, Jalwa.
Yes, I remember.
And he was very big in advertising, if I remember correctly.
Big in advertising, and he made those chalbaz and all. Then Rajkumar.
3-4 films he made, and then suddenly it disappeared.
So then Rajkumar was his, I think, film which didn't do well.
It didn't do well, yeah.
So I met him after Rajkumar, and then we were writing a film. So I was writing a film for him. And he was a fun guy. मतलब मजा आता था उसका.
Ahead of his times, little bit.
100%. Even today.
It's sad. No, but 84, 85 का picture, and everything is like well ahead of the rest of the stuff.
And very stylish and very good. So I was writing a film for him, but it didn't. Again, नहीं हुआ. But through him I met Sudhir. And I started. So first Sudhir, he signed me. There was a film which Vashu Bhagnani and Tutu Sharma and all of them were making. So they gave me
These all names of the 90s,
like
yaar.
Tutu Sharma. Tutu Sharma. So Tutu Sharma sir and Vashu sir signed me for a film.
Directing.
Writing, which Sudhir Mishra was supposed to direct, but even that didn't happen. So then Sudhir was making this film called Calcutta Mail with Anil Kapoor and Rani Mukherjee and Manisha Koirala. So I started assisting him on that film, and then my journey actually with him started. And then I assisted him on Hazaro Khwahish Aisi, in which my song came in.
But before that, how did he heard you singing? Like
on the
set?
On the sets.
So apparently he told us he's just singing all the time and whatever, and then I suddenly heard this guy's got a nice voice.
So he heard it. So there was a shot in the film and he wanted, यार किसी को कोई बिहारी folk आता है क्या ऐसे गाते हुए जाना है, किसी को ढूंढो assistants. तो असीम बजाज the cameraman, हाँ वो भी
worked at MTV at very low rates. बेचारा उस पॉइंट पे बाल भी था.
अभी तो
लेकिन
पैसा आ गया.
पैसा बहुत है और नाम भी कमाया.
बहुत.
MTV में नाम नहीं कमाया, कुछ नहीं, वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. Sorry. So Asim
Even
Bajaj,
Leena was in MTV.
No, but she had come for some shows and all because he was shooting there. So she would visit. But that time none of them were very famous. Resul Pokoti was.
You were the only one who was famous.
I was the only one famous, and I should treat them like, hey, Resul, Ajay, sit at the back. Asim, chop. And now they don't take my calls. Same Sudhir Mishra ka jaisa.
Asim take his calls.
Yeah, I love Asim. Yeah.
So Asim said ki Swanand can sing, and then.
But how does he know?
He was a friend from
okay.
In Delhi, so we were together. So he knew that I can sing. So he asked me to sing. So I sang a song, which was a folk song, which we had learnt in theatre days. So I sang that song.
Bihari folk song.
और वो सुधीर ने सुना, and then he said कि यार ये तो
Sudhir is Bihari, na?
Sudhir not a Bihari.
UP.
Sudhir is UP and MP both.
Oh.
Like if you are his father,
he can take the alliance from his side.
Yeah, he can. So he studied in Sagar, MP. His father used to be the vice chancellor of Sagar University, and then he's from Lucknow.
Okay.
And from Delhi. From everywhere.
Anyway, so but he wanted a Bihari folk song. This was authentic Bihari folk song, and you sang it.
I sang
Akela.
And then
so this is without instrumentation.
Without instrumentation,
like
I just
200 years ago का folk song.
बिल्कुल 200 years ago का नहीं अभी का. लेकिन
फिर भी I'm saying it exposes the voice, na. Most people are padded up with the instruments and everything in background.
So then there was this. Then he heard that song, and then he said क्या गाता है, और फिर मैं वो एक बावरामन गाना गाता था, which KK him heard. They said चलो we'll take it in the film, and things changed for me.
They paid you, no?
Not on बावरामन. बावरामन पे किसी को भी नहीं
मिश्रा
यार सुधीर ने मेरे को बाद में बहुत पे किया.
चांसलर का बेटा.
But बावरामन पे तो it was
a hit.
No, but the film was ओवर बजट हो गया था. वे उसमें प्रोड्यूसर ये बहुत मुश्किल चल रहा था. पर मेरे लिए काफ़ी था यार. I got a song.
You got noticed.
August. And then the same day there was another gentleman who came to, when I was recording Bavraman, another gentleman ad filmmaker who came in, and Shantanu Moitra asked him to come in. He heard the song.
Shantanu Moitra also I remember.
You remember?
Again 90s.
Yeah, 90s.
Then?
We are on 90s.
You are on 90s?
Yeah.
I feel so bad. What do you understand if you're a young kid here? Shantanu Moitra.
Shantanu Moitra. Actually, I am looking there.
But at that time, he was a very big name, yeah.
Yeah, even today is a big name.
But today, I don't know. I'm not in touch. Kabhi phone karo na Shantanu.
So Shantanu called, and this guy was Pradeep Sarkar.
Are?
So Dada heard the...
Was he known?
Yeah. I mean, known in the sense he had made 2-3 videos, those Dhoom Pichak Dhoom videos.
Oh, he made Dhoom
Pichak Dhoom videos. And
completely not like the movies he made later. But
yeah, but he made some really good videos. That Pia Basanti Re video was
That's
made
him?
by... Yeah, Pradeep had made
So
those.
these are all the top of the line.
Top
Again,
of the
90s
line,
videos,
yeah.
but top of the line.
Top of the line. Ab ke Sawan aise barse. All of these good videos. Shubha Mudgal singing in the rains.
Yeah.
So
he called.
So he was there. So he heard the song and he said, "I'm pitching for a film called Parinita to Vinod Chopra." And that's how I got the entry into Vinod's films.
So your directing got sidetracked, but your singing went through the
and
roof.
Writing lyrics went
through the roof.
Went through the roof. And then I kept writing for then with Vinod Chopra. I wrote all his films almost. Parinita. Then he was making a film called Eklavya.
Eklavya is you?
Eklavya, I wrote the dialogues and I also wrote
Amitabh and Baman Irani and all.
Amitabh, Baman Irani and Saif Ali Khan and all stars.
Rajasthan background.
Yeah.
So that's all you.
I wrote the dialogues.
So what kind of research you all have done? He's done so much more work than we know. Now you're saying like it's there. कुछ नहीं है. Sir, I apologize.
No worries.
One day you'll get a good anchor who will know everything that you've done.
No, don't. That's why I'm here. मैं अगर तुमको ही मालूम है तो क्या मैं क्या बोलूँ? मैं क्या बोलेगा फिर तुम ही बोलेगा. फिर then Eklavya happened, then Three Idiots happened, then
that's also you.
That's also me. Songs
are you. Three Idiots. Okay.
3 Idiots songs are me. And then Lagero Munna Bhai happened. Those songs are also me.
Bro, you're an institution.
No. Just songs.
All these are bloody iconic films also. It's not like each one bigger than the next.
Yeah. So then they did good.
Typical Maharashtrian. I'm praising him so much. They did good.
To me, I'm not saying films did very well, but अच्छा हुआ मेरे साथ. And I became...
And then I think that the chap, because how we knew you in the 90s, whatever, is the singer. Like, very strongly associated with, Swana.
Then I sang some lyrics, some singing, everything.
I think my friend Vikram Sathe did something with you
also. Yeah, Vikram Sathe did...
On stage.
So we started doing a thing called Bhavras. Me, Vikram.
Bandra only, I think.
Bandra only. Again, Rang Sharda.
Correct.
Rang Sharda. So we did that. Vikram is a dear friend.
Yeah. Never pays, but
नहीं
हाथ नहीं जाता पॉकेट में.
नहीं
कितना दारू कितना पिया हम. Alcohol is bad, don't drink. But never. Neither did I, so that's why I remember it. हम दोनों.
But तुम लोग को आदत है कोई और पे करे यार. तुम सब लोग.
Production के पास पैसा होता है.
तुम सब लोग.
You already do this food bills for alcohol. You used to do food bills for alcohol. मतलब तो पनीर मक्खन वाला, चिकन मक्खन वाला, अब वो cheap beer आएगा. Great about being in India, that you can do all this and everybody is happy. They are happy, we are happy, everybody is happy. So, music career through the roof, writing through the roof.
Writing, music, all that was happening.
Acting का कीड़ा और directing का कीड़ा is not satisfied.
Directing का तो बिल्कुल not satisfied. Acting तो थोड़ा बहुत हो गया. थोड़ा बहुत तो कर लेता हूँ. मतलब आ जाता है मेरे पास. Acting का कीड़ा was never there. Honestly.
Really?
Never wanted to become an actor. But then again, this was... Mukesh Chhabra came into my life first. I knew him from NSD days, and he एक ad में मेरे को cast किया उसने. बोले स्वानंद भाई करो.
Which ad?
There was a ad, I don't remember it was made by Shimit Amin.
Oh. The guy who made
अब तक 56 चक दे इंडिया एंड
उसका क्या हो गया?
अभी पिक्चर बना रहा है वो.
बिकॉज़ 10 साल के लिए वो
एडिट कर रहा था ना, वो मीरा नायर के लिए एडिट कर रहा था और बहुत सारे एड्स बना रहा था.
But he lives abroad or something,
He lives abroad.
So he's like untraceable.
But I think he's making a film now. I think, and Shimit, are you?
Shimit,
I did an ad, you know.
Product का नाम क्या है? How do we sell a product? When the model doesn't remember the product.
No. Then Amit के साथ एक ऐड किया, अमित शर्मा, क्रोम
आई
पिक्चर्स.
थॉट अमिताभ बच्चन. आई वाज वंडरिंग कि इतना पहचान तो है. आई मीन अमित और मे वी डिड एन एड.
अमित शर्मा, क्रोम पिक्चर्स, उसके साथ एक.
So you were doing ads, which is not really acting in that
No,
sense.
that was not acting in that sense. Then Mukesh got me into a film called Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya. And I played Alia Bhatt's father in that. And there things actually started, I started getting roles, you know. Then I got roles, मतलब मेरे को सब fathers का role आया, हर किसी के father का. Then I stopped doing that. I said, I don't want to become a father.
Typecast as
Typecast
सबका
as-
father.
Yeah, सबका father. कोई भी, मतलब इरफान खान का father.
Father of the Bollywood nation.
Yeah.
Wherever the Bollywood
So,
actors are, वो एक father.
अभी एक रोल है सर इरफान खान का फादर करना है. मैंने कहा अरे इरफान खान का फादर.
Irfan Khan का father. You're joking.
No, I'm not joking.
How?
You know, just that's how they think.
But उम्र के
कोई
वजह से
उम्र का है ताना वाना समझ न पाए. They don't know.
I mean, I can't believe this really happened. With due respect, Irfan was a lot older.
Yeah, lot older than me.
तो
But
कॉमेडी था.
कॉमेडी नहीं था. मुझे नहीं पता था क्या. लेकिन फिर मैंने then I stopped doing it.
That was the breaking point.
That was a breaking
इससे
point.
बस
I don't
नहीं
want
कर पाएगा.
I never wanted to
Please
become an
understand.
actor. I didn't want to become an actor at first place और फिर जाके किसी का फादर बनो यार. नहीं मेरे को नहीं होता यार.
This is the struggle of Bollywood we don't know about.
Yeah. So that's
Who was your favorite child?
Alia Bhatt.
Huh? Good,
Yeah,
good to work with.
Lovely.
Huh?
Lovely.
You know, no trouble.
No trouble at all.
You like rehearsal or you like more spontaneous?
No, rehearsals are also good. And she was good. She used to do a lot of rehearsals. I loved working with her. Then after that, I'd never become a father. No, then I became...
You never became a father?
No. Never became a father. That 100%. I didn't become. I never become father.
Because, देखो Bollywood ने क्या किया? Bench press. Because of you,
खुद भी father नहीं बना.
का exhaust हो गया ये father का capacity. वो है नहीं अभी उसमें.
मैं एक और फादर बना था. मैं बना था रिया चक्रवर्ती का फादर, सोनाली केबल फिल्म.
Before the controversy.
Much before.
हाँ, thank God. नहीं तो what kind of father आपका pressure बहुत हुआ है.
नहीं यार, poor girl, she suffered a lot.
She's a lovely girl.
Lovely.
Can you get on the show? Also Alia Bhatt. दोनों को बुलाओ.
मेरे इतना
तो father है जो.
उसका इतना बाप का नहीं सुनता वो.
That's true. That's a fair comment, sir. That's a fair comment.
कोई भी नहीं बच्चा सुनता यार. So क्या
So,
पता क्या होने
नहीं, we
वाला
want
है.
the
इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद क्या होने वाला है मुझे नहीं मालूम.
नहीं ठीक है यार. I think Sudhir Mishra will still talk to you. बाकी I don't know.
They are anyways not talking to me. बाकी वैसे भी मेरे से कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है तो.
And so Sudhir, I can't do the knuckle. You can do the knuckle. How he told us about? I met him. I heard him sing.
Yeah, so he used to come here, used to do the singing. I said, गाओ फिर.
और पहला आपको गिराया. He said he is just a guy on the set.
Just a guy. That is just a guy on the set.
Okay, we have to take a break. We'll take a quick break. Then we'll come back. We have to talk about the new show.
Because nobody's watching it.
नहीं. But sir, आपका PR भी आ गया ना.
हाँ, मेरा PR भी है. But everybody's watching it.
Right now, he has done so much PR for everybody else. See the list of names we have mentioned, ending with Riya Chakrabarti and Alia Bhatt, who all don't need PR.
Nobody needs PR.
Yeah.
I need PR.
You don't need PR, Baba. You're an all-rounder. Imagine you have like 20%, 50 to 80% more capacity than anybody else. Just imagine. It's too much.
To become father.
Father का overrated concept.
Father figure.
Father figure अलग है, father अलग है. Father figure Epstein Island में वो सारे लोग जो है वो father figures है. Father मेरा जैसा है, harassed, ATM, work Sundays to provide for children, वो अलग बात है. Let's take a break, then we'll come back, learning more. She wants Swanand to sing and she's making faces to me that he has to sing, but I can't control him like that. Na, boss, I'm not the father. We take a break.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Part 2, not part 2, break ke baad, Swanand is telling us about his life. We've gone nowhere with it. I mean, he's done really well, but lots to talk about in less time. We have to try and find the time. At the moment, wo father figure ka role exhaust ho gaya. He doesn't want to do that anymore. And
then came in a Marathi film called Chumbak, in which I was not playing a father. It was a beautiful role I got to play. Sandeep Modi was the director who made a Marathi film, and Akshay Kumar presented that film.
Oh, nice.
And for that, I got one national award.
Wow.
As
Acting
Best
award.
Supporting Actor. Yeah.
Wow.
So I've got 3 national awards.
Huh.
2 for lyrics and 1 for...
Not bad, yaar.
Thank you.
Such a young
Thank you
age,
so much.
3 national awards.
3 national awards.
How many have I got? Kuch nahi.
All of them. So...
Cannot lobby for these awards. These national awards are the one you can't really lobby.
I don't know, miss. I never lost.
Baki Filmfare, you can phone and ask.
I never got one.
Call up.
No, nobody.
मैं number दूँ?
किसका?
Important लोग हैं. Recyclable.
और नहीं देते मेरे को.
क्यों?
नहीं मतलब
Filmfare नहीं मिला?
अभी तक नहीं मिला.
I can't believe it. So much work and they haven't given you.
Yeah, but I got 4 or 5 nominations, but I never got the award. But it's okay.
Anti-Mumbai यार.
चलेगा.
They always give the north or east.
Yeah.
So it's political यार.
हाँ.
Political होगा. So you did Marathi film and there's a big role.
Big role, and then
Then you get noticed again as an actor.
And then I got another film called Three of Us,
Huh.
which was one of
They
the...
were talking about it just now before you came in.
Yeah, so Three of Us was one film which...
Shefali
then
Shah.
Shefali Shah and Jaydeep Pehlawat and Avinash Arun made that film.
It's a lovely concept. Please watch that film.
Yeah, beautiful film.
They are married and then the old crush comes. into their life.
She is like initial stages of dementia, and she wants to go back to her little village where she grew up, and she wants to go and meet that guy.
Arey wah.
And the husband takes her. So
Wow, this is very complex there.
it's beautiful, and I loved working with them and with Avinash, and like there I thought that acting is a serious. I want to be an actor.
But actually, Swanand himself is, I mean, you're here, I should ask you directly. You would say you're a singer first or nothing like that?
Nothing like that.
So you're just an entertainer?
Storyteller, entertainer,
Yeah.
whatever. I can design costumes also if I don't know.
Swanand
But I'm very bad at it. You can see.
These are your designs?
No, this is my choice. There's someone at Zara designed it.
Zara को plug दिया? Unbelievable. They've not spelled
मैंने plug दिया, काट दे.
नहीं. Zara. We get more plugs.
Zara.
Ma'am, biryani. Jaldi. People just work here for no reason. So we have to come to the OTT, but I just want to finish this whole thing. Then directing happens when?
I don't know.
Huh? Direct तो किया ना?
अभी नहीं किया.
अभी नहीं किया?
एक
But
short.
this OTT
No, I've just created it, written.
written with
Ankur Tiwari.
Ankur Tiwari together, and so the concept is all yours.
The concept is mine and Ankur's. Yeah, we together we
Direct
developed
अलग है. Why didn't you direct it then?
No, because I was also acting in it.
So you think that's a challenge?
Yeah, everything you can't do, like otherwise people.
But if you're acting and directing, it'll be fun, no? Because you'll be like, okay, action.
They did. Raj Kapoor sir did it. Manoj Kumar sir
Charlie
did
Chaplin
it.
भी किया?
Charlie Chaplin is other level, yeah.
No, it's not impossible.
Yeah,
Clint
it's not
Eastwood-
impossible, but you have
Clint
to be a genius, like you have to be in love.
Eastwood. So either you are or very close to it. No, what do you worry
No,
about?
I'm not that.
Except for design, there's no problem. Design is only.
Design is
you
only
about
wrong.
design. Baaki to you convince me. Everything. So let's talk about the new show, which is called
Band Wale.
Band Wale.
Band Wale. It's on Amazon Prime.
First, the concept is yours with Mr.
Yeah,
Tiwari.
with Mr.
You sat
Tiwari.
in, so give us a little idea.
So basically, it's a show about a little girl in Ratlam wants to become a YouTuber because she thinks that's where
way-
liberation is there, for her. Like
This is a true point.
it's a true point. She thinks that her पड़ोस की एक आंटी है, वो is cooking, कुकरी शो बना के वो पैसे आने लगे उसके पास में, और उसका हस्बैंड जो उसको पहले डांटता था आजकल कैमरा लेके उसके पीछे घूमता है.
Sweet. What a lovely story.
So she thinks she thinks that's where her father will listen to her if she earns a little money. And in that journey, again, the journey to become an influencer is another hassle, कि अभी वो कैसे likes मिलेगा, कैसे shares मिलेगा, उसमें वो collaborate करने के लिए घूमती है, भटकती है. तो that's her little adventure in a little town in which she meets this brass band singer from Rhodes, and another one is a DJ played by Zahan Kapoor, and together they form a band. No, that's the
Three of them.
Kind of form a band, and she becomes what she wants to become.
So the character is loosely based on you.
Loosely based on another person. It's not
Musical talent, obviously.
musical. The guy I knew was not a musical. He is a delusional guy. Lives with basically उसको लगता है जैकी श्रॉफ, ये सब, मतलब उसका स्टाइल वैसा है, कुछ कपड़ा वैसा पहनता है, मिथुन जैसा पहनता है. I knew a person in Indore who used to think he's a friend. मतलब मिथुन, उसको ऐसा लगता था कि मिथुन को
Sanjay Dutt.
संजय
You put
दत्त.
the character here, he thinks he's Sanjay Dutt's friend.
हाँ, मिथुन's friend, संजय दत्त's friend. Yeah. उसको
So you mentioned he really thinks. It's not like he's putting on a show.
He's not putting on a show. He really thinks. He thinks they are like. He will say कि यार जैकी ने अच्छा नहीं किया यार, वो पिक्चर में नहीं करना चाहिए था उसको यार, है ना, वो क्या कपड़ा पहना. Well, these were the people who will take their darzi first show of a film, and in the evening to see the outfit, and in the evening they'll be wearing that outfit.
Wow.
So that kind of a delusional, but totally.
If only they like Salman, because Ganji तो बहुत easy है ना.
but Salman has great fan following, you know, like, and people will like उसके जैसा गंजी पहनने के लिए भी
Is
मर
it his
जाएंगे.
father from MP?
Indore.
Indore.
Yeah,
Correct,
same
na?
place.
Yeah. So that must be like the second big home city after Mumbai. Yeah.
So that's his father.
So you and Salman are the most famous people from Indore. और कोई है? And Salim Khan, of course.
Salim Khan Saab. Salim
first.
Saab. I don't think Salman.
I was born there, I think.
I don't know. But Salim sir is from Indore, and and then there are many other people from Indore. But yeah.
Want to mention their names? You might as well, yeah.
नहीं, too many names I have mentioned.
Partners दे दो कम से कम. No, I'm kidding. It's okay.
मैं ले भी लेता यार.
Let's, before we suddenly run out of time, let's get a song. Yeah. So have you done the music also?
Yeah, few songs. I have sung, written.
So from Band Wale you can sing anything because you the production is yours.
I'll sing too. Little bit from Band Wale and a little bit.
Okay. See how happy you made the girls.
And another song from my song from Parinita, which she is requesting.
Tell us how you write your lyrics and all that. Is there some process you follow? Boring question, but it's interesting to know also.
No,
like you get a thought.
we write it with the directors, you know, mostly like.
Oh, okay.
Like they tell you the story, the situation, and then the tune comes in. You know, most of the times, in Hindi cinema, basically the tune comes first.
Okay, so who gives you the tune?
The composer.
So he has the tune ready.
He creates a tune.
मेरे पास tune है. Ching 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 tang. Ching 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 tang.
Cyrus Brocha ka show.
Can you give me options? नहीं जमता है.
Hey, yeah, that's how you write lyrics.
They must be talking like that. How do they talk? The producers and all the when they make decisions, how do they tell the artist? Yeah, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये ठीक है.
Peppy नहीं है.
That's what. The strange words they use.
Peppy नहीं है. Gen Z को समझ में नहीं आएगा. Gen Z एक बहुत जबरदस्त एक important चीज है वो.
And there's no Gen Z there. He is deciding for Gen Z.
But yeah, nobody is Gen Z. बट जेनजी को नहीं समझ में आएगा. और जेनजी और मैंने अपने नीस को सुना है यार. शी डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड. शी इज अ जेनजी, नो.
सो यू फेल्ड.
हाँ, तो बट तेरी नीस को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. मेरा क्या गलती है? तेरा नीस पढ़ा लिखा नहीं बेचारा. हाँ, तो anyway, but that's how you survive and sail and reach to the.
I think you have to have a thick skin, no, in this business.
Very
also.
thick. Yeah.
Especially as a creator. You have to listen to all kinds of. There's a lot of praise also, a lot of love, but there's also some guy saying all kinds of stupid things.
No, in the studio, what happens, nobody knows, no? When you are making a song, nobody knows what is happening. So, like drafts and drafts and drafts after drafts, and most of the times, you know, like the problem is that a lot depends on music in Hindi cinema. Like, so if the song is good,
it pushes the film.
It pushes the film. So they are very careful about making those songs, and then. But when we are working with Vidhu Vinod Chopra or Raju Hirani, that's not a problem. मतलब उधर वो
इंटरफेयर नहीं करते.
उस तरह का डर नहीं है. They want to make a good song. उस तरह का डर नहीं है कि गाना चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा. वो पिक्चर भी नहीं बनाते उस ये सोच के कि पिक्चर चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा. वो पिक्चर बनाते जो उनको बनाना है.
जेनजी का इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ.
वहाँ नहीं, कोई चक्कर नहीं है. वहाँ पे नहीं. पर बहुत सारी जगहों पे ये होता है. कहाँ होता है नहीं बोलूँगा.
बोलना प्लीज सर. थोड़ा वायरल हो जाएगा.
अभी और गाना लिखना है.
तो लिखो. You say in my ear, I'll say it.
उसके बाद मैं जिंगचैंग पे लिखेगा इधर.
जिनचैंग वो बड़ा हिट है जापान में. वेरी फेमस सॉन्ग इन टोक्यो.
K-pop.
हाँ,
It's
K-pop.
K-pop,
कोरिया. चलो
yeah.
next
Gen Z, sir.
Next building. Okay, let's get back to band वाले. Who else is in the show?
Shalini Pandey, the actor, myself, Zahan Kapoor,
हाँ.
and Ashish Vidyarthi.
And you're playing an important role.
I'm playing the delusional.
You're the lead, actually.
Lead, yeah.
Also, you based this on real people from or real one guy or
Real people, right?
real
Real people, 1 or 2 people.
who have this sort of self belief that they are friends with great stars. And
Yeah, they means they are part of their lives. You know, the stars are real for them.
Yeah.
Like वो खत्म नहीं हुआ. मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन सर अपने डायलॉग खुद अमिताभ बच्चन सर के डायलॉग कोई लिखता है तो उनको बिलीव ही नहीं होता कि ऐसे कैसे यार, फिर वो खुद क्या बोलते हैं. तो वो ही बोलते हैं ना.
But are these mentally, not to be rude, but they're not well mentally.
Most of the countries.
Swan! Baba. मैं बच गया तब तक. And now, finally.
हाँ, so
Wicked
they are.
Falls.
We love our heroes, and we think they are real. Otherwise, who will watch films?
Yeah, true. Fair enough. So what happens after this now? What's the next project? When is the directing going to happen? यार इसमें तो almost directing का हाथ है. Because concept, writing, singing and lead.
हाँ, so
now
अब डायरेक्शन के पास में गया हूँ अभी.
Almost there.
हाँ, almost
तो
there.
कुछ है प्रोजेक्ट है.
लिख तो रहा हूँ, तो देखते हैं. कुछ बना लेगा कोई तो बना लेगा. कोई
So that is
है,
another
कोई
problem.
है, कोई है.
हाँ वो है. लोग तो यहाँ पे who watch our show. Only producers and directors. Financiers, producers, directors watch our show.
Great.
आपको कैश है? How do you want to be paid?
नहीं, मेरे को चलेगा. मेरा कंपनी में डाल दो.
नहीं, because war is going on, na? So we have to
that's the
see
problem.
How do we manage the locations are less for
Yeah.
shooting also.
Correct.
We'll have to
You
shoot-
can't go to Iran.
Strike two.
आएगा ना इस पे.
आएगा. Don't worry. Let's hope that people appreciate.
नहीं, you can't go to US also now.
Yeah, that's true. Keep going. We'll be off the list of many countries by the time the show is over. So you have a story but in mind.
I have.
और इसमें एक और point है कि once you're like a creator, you don't want somebody else's story, no? Because everything is from your head.
Yeah, you want to make your own film.
Yeah.
And you have that advantage in India that you can. बाकी तो जगह पे स्टूडियो तुमको देता है, तुम एज ए डायरेक्टर जाओगे, कोई स्टोरी मिलेगा. यहाँ पे है कि आप you can write your story and direct your story. So that's a great thing. Even if you don't make your film,
Yeah,
that's a great
you write and keep it in the fridge.
But still, you have a story.
हम होंगे
I have to keep
already
it
two
up.
are ready.
Yeah, freezer,
Projects are
deep
ready.
freezer.
But you will act in them also, lead
No,
up.
never.
So then it falls on the actor, no? The selling the
So
project.
then I have to
So
sell.
who do you have in mind? But like big star or
No,
like
not a
new
big star,
name?
not a new name. I want to work with a new.
New name. Boys, get up.
Yeah.
है अपने पास.
अपने पास है ना, न्यू चलेगा. न्यू चलेगा.
अगर कम बजट पिक्चर है, you come to the right place.
या कम बजट ही है, अपना लाइफ ही कम बजट पे चल रहा है.
So tell us before we wrap up. So tell us some interesting incidents that you've had na, around these Bollywood icons that you work with.
नहीं, nothing. It's so beautiful. It was
Sweet story बोलो, अगर controversy नहीं है तो sweet story बोलो. How Vidhu Vinod Chopra is quite eccentric. He's all kinds of stories come out of that.
I can't remember anything offhand like that. But what's sweet?
Sudhir Mishra, larger than life. Vidhu Vinod Chopra, larger than life. Raju Hirani,
Great, हाँ.
very easygoing.
Yeah, very easy. Yeah.
Whatever comes to mind, don't force it. It's okay. अगर आप भी
नहीं, एकदम से नहीं आ रहा कुछ.
but आप writer है तो कुछ
बना दो.
Of course.
कुछ बना दो.
Creativity is a very important part.
यार, I
of
can't
it.
tell you. I don't know. I really can't think of anything else. But
Has anyone shouted at Swanand?
Never.
Never. गाली वाली.
गाली नहीं.
Not one.
नहीं, even Vinod didn't give गाली. एक बार मेरे को खाली विनोद बोला था. एक बार बोला था. Something was happening and I said some. I was writing this रात हमारी तो song only, and I went to him and I said कि I was working at another big production house, and I came back to him and I said कि सर थैंक यू सो मच, मेरे को ये गाना लिखने को दिया, क्योंकि कोई लिखने को नहीं देगा रात हमारी तो चांद की. चूतिया तू. That's what happened.
But that was more like तारीफ.
तारीफ.
He just used bad language to tell you why you're saying this.
Yeah, but he uses that. Bad language is तारीफ only.
Yeah, so that's fine.
हाँ.
That's fine.
Yeah, बाकी गलत तो क्या बोले?
I won't have a story where someone's angry and
No, with me never.
No.
No, I get angry at people.
You get angry?
Yeah, I get
Bad temper?
Bad temper.
Who have you shouted at?
Most juniors.
Acha.
That kind of anger.
Small guys. Yeah.
That kind of anger.
Okay. Swana, before we wrap up, shall we hear one last song?
Could you also mention like how Ori Chiraiya happened, like with Satyamir Jayate?
Yeah, you making me sing sad songs on Cyrus's show, yaar.
No,
She wants to know how you made the song.
हाँ, but sir, it's Amir was making this show called
Show,
Satyamev
correct,
Jayate,
yeah.
and Ram Sampath. Sampath and Sona called me, and Amir basically they wanted me to write a song for the first episode, which was on female peticide, and it was a very grim and very sad topic. यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस यू नो दैट अच्छा एक तो ऐसे पे कुछ लिखना है, हाँ ये इशू बेस्ड कुछ लिखना है, बट सत्यजीत भटकल एंड स्वाति टू क्रिएटर्स ऑफ सत्यमेव जयते दे हैड मेड अ 5 year long documentary film. All their research was there, and I went to see that film, me and Sona, and we watched it, and I came out and I was crying, like, because you really don't you know things are bad, but you really don't know how bad they
not
are.
exposed to the actual reality.
Actually, and so when I came home, and then only thing which was playing on my head was like, I come from Indore, and in Marathi families and Indore and everything, the girls, they call it chimni, चिड़िया. घर की चिड़िया होती है, वो आंगन की चिड़िया होती है, आंगन से उड़ जाती है, ऐसी एक इमेजरी होती है. तो दैट ओनली केप्ट प्लेइंग, एंड देन आई रोट द सॉन्ग. राम हैड सेंट मी द ट्यून, दा रा रा रा, एंड आई रोट दैट सॉन्ग.
Woo! I mean, not the right reaction. It's a sad song and a sad topic,
Yeah.
but yeah. Why do you bring this up? You're having such a good time now. We are both feeling
We're
depressed.
feeling really
I'm looking
depressed,
into his eyes and feeling his pain also.
Yeah.
And मेरा तो बहुत pain है that way. I don't want to tell you personal issues, but I have got a lot of pain. But before we end, some happy song. अंग्रेजी song है?
अंग्रेजी नहीं आता मेरे को यार.
Rubbish!
मेरा हाथ तंग है अंग्रेजी में. मैं हिंदी मीडियम का आदमी हूँ यार, मेरे को अंग्रेजी आता
क्या
है.
ये
मैं कैसे करके तो तुम्हारे साथ बैठा हूँ यार.
पता नहीं. अच्छा.
अंग्रेजी नहीं आता मुझे.
अच्छा, but one happy. Let's end with a happy song, like a upbeat. Whatever you want.
दारा.
Woo! Swanand Kirkire in concert here on Cyrus Says. Please, ladies and gentlemen,
Sing along.
sing along, and he's sweet enough to do this, but the rates are very high if you want him
If you want to come to the
private concert,
yeah. And if you want to call me to
corporate
your
gigs,
corporate gigs and stuff, and weddings also.
weddings, कितना पे कम से कम it'll be 15-20 20 अभी क्या ambition ना शुरू में 15 1 hour later 20
बेस मांगेंगे तो 15 मिलेगा ना सर.
ऐसा ही है
हाँ,
तो
ऐसा ही
25 बोलो ना.
नहीं सर, 25 में तो आएगा ही नहीं वापस.
गिनने को नहीं आता है. You have to get 20 as a mark. तो 25 पे जाओ, चढ़ जाओ 25 पे और फिर नीचे गिर जाएगा.
सर अभी गाने मिल नहीं रहे, नए हिट गाने चाहिए.
Don't worry, sir. Your hit Gana is in your boot of your car.
या बैंड वाले.
Fair, already there. Soon to be seen as a director. He's not telling us what the project is. We'll get him back when he finally does that. That's all that's left. Everything else you've done except design and directing.
डिजाइन
Design वो end में, last में.
डिजाइन में एंड में करेंगे.
80 साल at that point.
स्ट्रेट लाइन आ गया खींचने को.
Just quickly, anything coming out now? New?
I am working on a Suraj Badiatia film, Suraj Badiatia sir's film. Also a film with Vikas Bahl, with Jaya Bachchan ji and Vamika and stuff.
Written?
No, only acted.
Okay.
So these 2 films are coming out. Another film called Bakra Cricket. 3 films are.
Coming out now?
No, I don't know when they will come out.
Anyway,
but
when they come out, we'll hopefully get you back.
I hope.
घर कहाँ है?
The Bandra.
Then come
Carter
ना.
Road के पास.
Come ना.
Where do you live?
I live in town, but it's not that far from Bandra now. With Coastal Road, 22
Coastal
minutes.
Road,
22
superb.
22
Yeah, I
minutes.
love it.
I've started voting for the government. I'm so happy. I can't complain, yeah.
You can't complain. For Coastal Road, you cannot.
Yeah, for South Bombay, it's been great. But Swanand Kirkire, please check him out. Check out the OTT show, Band Wale.
Band Wale.
Which is conceptualized, written, starring. He's the lead of the thing based on people he grew up with. So very interesting. And there's lots more coming, movies, etc. We'll find out a little later. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
sir.
much.
I know you're very busy.
Lovely.
Huge interviews lined
Hey,
up.
what fun, yeah.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.